Yo, what's up everyone? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right after this a live trade scalp that I took on the euro. It's not the best execution, and I'll explain what happened, and I'll explain the thought process behind the trade, and I'll just pretty much go here on the 15 minutes. So pretty much on this chart right here, I was aiming for this area right here. Because Euro's been trending kind of bullish on the week. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and as we can see, the market has been clearly on a bullish trend. We recently had like an intraday structure in here where the market was making higher highs, higher lows, price came into a base, and you're gonna see me take an entry somewhere inside of here with a stop loss below there. So, and the thing is, th through the video, you're gonna see like I made a little bit of a mistake. I'll go down to the 5 minute chart to kind of show what exactly I did. So yeah, so I pretty much got an entry once price kind of broke above this little consolidation point. I started buying. I had one position here, and I had another position down here with a stop loss below the base, um, expecting some type of volume to come in around London Open. Because as you guys can see right now, it is 120. No, I'm sorry, it's 150. So yeah, coming into London Open, I was expecting some type of volume surge above this high in order to make a higher high with a potential target up here. Um, so originally I did have my targets here, but it is getting kind of late, so I just want to kind of look for a quick push, and I had that area marked up and was looking for a nice decent push. What you're gonna see is on this initial candle when the price kind of went up, I was moving my price because since I had one entry here and one entry around here, somewhere around there. This entry, I ended up closing out the position around here simply because I moved my stop losses to break even on that early position. So what I didn't want happen was price kind of came down, right, retested. This entry would have been safe, then this entry would have got stopped out at flat, and then if we got to move up in order to clear out this high right there. So I mean, it was kind of, it really depends. It worked out in this situation. If I was a little bit more patient and got the better entry, which I got on my second one for my full buys, then I would have been able to just put at stop loss at break even and then be able to hold for the continued push. And I did and I got out on the second push, so on this candle in here, somewhere in there for about nine pips or so. Again, just looking for a quick move. Plus, because my stop loss was pretty much below that low, and my best entry was around there. I was only looking at 3 pip stop loss, and then when I took profit around 9 pips, it's a 3 to 1. So I wasn't upset about that at all. I do think we're gonna go up into this level, and then eventually maybe 1.2 180s. But yeah, I'm just happy with the overall trade execution. Could have been a little bit better. Maybe left a runner, but it is what it is. Just got impatient on the first entry, and yeah. And if we just look at it from a broader perspective, yeah, I just believe that the euro wants to come up into this region here. We went from a bearish market cycle back into a bullish, so I think we're going to end up clearing this high right here. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the live trade. Leave your comments, and yeah, let me know what you guys think.